Hi, and welcome to another update in the Microsoft 365 Message Center update series. As usual, we're going to go through and we're going to look at an update that Microsoft recently posted and have a chat about what that involves and what the implications are for you. So today what we're going to look at is we're going to look at the Insights app, which is coming to Microsoft Teams anytime now. So starting in February 2021, rolling out through April. So if we take a look at this this update that we've got going on now, then we can actually see that the Insights app in Teams is going to provide personalized insights to improve productivity and well-being, and data-driven recommendations to help users build better work habits. It's a really interesting update. If you want to know more about it, then you can actually go to the page in Microsoft Docs, and this is going to tell you about everything that's going on. So as I say, keep on top of your tasks. And there's two major areas that's going to come to this. The first one is stay connected, and this is going to allow Teams Insights to help you stay on top of your collaboration with colleagues through features such as AI-based task suggestion and meeting assistance. And also protect time. This is one that's particularly interesting to me. I very much struggle to get my head down and actually get a block of work done because I'm constantly being emailed and asked questions by different people. So this is going to allow users to find more time to eliminate distractions, to stop multitasking and focus on core priorities. So what's going to happen is this is going to surface itself as a pre-installed application that appears on the left-hand bar of Microsoft Teams, unless admins disable it. So going forward, users will see the two options in here. The first one, as I say, is that Stay Connected tab, and it makes it seamless to pin an important collaborator to see communications from emails, chats, shared documents that might follow up in one place, and also the ability to schedule regular one-to-ones to maintain strong relationships. So if you have people you work with on a very regular basis, maybe if you're a manager and you want to pin your employees, your team members, then there's something that's going to be useful for you. If you work with people on a particular project, then maybe that's something you can add into that area as well. And then the protect time, as I said, this is going to make it seamless to schedule time in the week before it fills up. So I'm very excited to see that one come in. Now, there's an important point to mention there. This is going to automatically show up for your users. So a key thing to bear in mind is if you don't want your users to see this straight away, if you're not ready to roll this out, or you need to provide some communication, then the admins can go and disable that application ahead of time. So if you do want to do some communications, that's a good idea. But otherwise, you need to be aware that this is going to start appearing in users' teams from any time now and through February. Okay. Thank you very much, and hopefully that's useful.